Sound rolling 3 action.
Hello everyone and I welcome you all to one more super interesting episode of Desi Muffins Production presents Ouch Couch with Lipsa in association with Oberoi Bakers and Cafe. Well, ajara episode apan samastankar favorite ta haba hi ta saita more be bahut besi favorite haba because one of my idols or jadi mu kahibi ki apan samastankar favorite bhul habani because she is bold, strong, iconic and her career is longer than like I can even think of being in this industry. So yes, tanga introduction bahut lamba jibo, but I'd like to sum it up here because apan samaste tanga bisare bahut besi jani chanti. So let me not waste any more time and introduce all of our all-time favorite Usasi Mishra. The best part about her is she doesn't need a welcome. She's always there to welcome herself. So thank you so much, first of all, for finding time and joining us here. I feel ecstatic to have you.
Ecstatic जो word I use करेला. I am all here for the experience of all the ouches on this couch.
So let's see how many ouches are you giving.
Absolutely. I am giving, or you are giving me.
See if you can take it from me, then why not? I'm all game, all sports.
I'm also all game.
All right. So you're one of those people who I'll be happily roasted by. So why not? Right. Okay. To begin with. About your career, about your work span in this industry, I think bahut jana jani chanti, but I want to explore the other side of you, which is lesser known to many, which is lesser spoken about and discussed. So let's just begin. My first question to you is, as I said, bold, strong, iconic, and everyone's favorite is more your thing. Like at least that's
everyone's favorite. That's a little dicey.
Exceptions are always welcome, But who considers that? Tell me. What all does it take to be strong? As strong as you are?
I guess, the time makes you stronger as you kind of trod the path. And definitely our industry is not an easy game.
Oh, of course not.
Definitely it's not. Although like we are in a very subtler zone. Odisha is not that difficult industry. But fortunately or unfortunately, whatever, I have worked in 4 industries, so I had a exposure. So that made me, like each instance I went ahead and I worked outside this industry. This is a safe zone for me. But when I went outside and I worked, I kind of learned a lot, and each step of those times made me a little stronger.
Okay.
Because instances in your life make you stronger. Because once you have come into the thing life, and then you have to live it.
Right.
So you have to take your own decisions. You have to take the responsibility of your mistakes. So that's how you become strong.
Of course. So yeah, being strong is of course a journey, and it never ends. You keep getting
not
stronger.
a journey, like it's not that everybody, some are very reflectively strong, some are inner core strong. So strength is every person has in them, but it depends who reflects and who doesn't.
Right. Okay. So I have always wondered how being a public figure changed your life. I'm inquisitive. Did it actually bring in a lot of difference to your life?
Not really, because basically when I joined this line, I had a very clear vision in my mind that I am not going to be living an actor's life. Acting is my profession by which I earn my bread and butter. That's it.
You exactly knew what you wanted. All right. So all of us know that Dita he released Hetila movie.
Yeah.
To begin with. And
that was some hell of a thing at that time.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know of any other actor janko saita eta Hetila.
Hetila, maybe some senior actors ko sangre Hetila, double release same day. I was launched in 98. And 98 Durga Puja I remember 29th of October, as far as I remember. 29th of October, I had double release with Siddharth Mahapaତ୍ର.
Kya baat. How did it come up for you? Like,
see, since everybody knows I was in the fashion arena and I was doing ramp modeling and I was preparing for Miss India and all. A lot of things were happening at that time. So this eventually happened. You know, one of my articles came in the paper, and they wanted a girl who could ride a bike. At that time, people talk about wearing jeans and they will look at you like this, gay Pratima. And riding a bike was a different thing. So I was riding a bike then.
Oh, nice.
So that's nothing great about it because I had two brothers and my father could only afford one bike. So that's it. So I had gone and they saw me, that picture of mine had come out about fashion and all, and they liked the picture. Oh, taku dakilo say bike chali pare. So I'm take thanks kotha haba. So I went there and mate kahi kiri neitile je Rangavati ji music bartile se seti achanti. Hey, wow, Rangavati ji got I went to meet him. Okay. So जाइके देखला उनको सब्यसाची महापात्र ऑफिस रे बसेली से देखिले ना बहुत पतला अछि ठीक है पुओ पिला वाले अधिक अछि and all this kind of comments came in. I said these are not nothing new for me. ठीक अछि क्या क्यों कौन पे लाइक चंती तापरे कहले जे ना तमे फिल्म करिबो ओडिया फिल्म करिबो. I said मु तो अधा खंडिया अधा हिंदी कहूची अधा ओटा भितर दीटा शब्द ओडिया मिसे की कहूची मते ओडिया कहि आसिनी because I had just come out of come from Delhi to Odisha.
Acha.
We had settled in after a long time staying outside of Odisha. We had settled in Odisha. So I said मते ओडिया भलो की कहि आसिनी, and they took all the pain and they kind of made me an actor. So that's how the journey started.
Okay.
And first film karo, second film family.
Oh, great.
I didn't have to do anything.
You were a royal catch, actually.
I don't know whether it was a good one or a bad one.
But I'm sure ever since that double release, your life has been chaotic. As in, I'll tell you, I have grown up watching you in movies. Like, I remember there was a point, there was Sundays, you know, like midday matinee show, Hotela, and it was like, I grew up watching, and you were a face, you know, I could look at for hours. And you were my, like, you know, my favorite, of course, but everyone was like, it was, I can't really explain.
I don't think, Lipsa, you know, eventually, eventually I was not really an actor. I really didn't have any knack or inclination toward acting. You know, like, haan, bula diye, kar lete hain types. But then, when I thought of becoming an actor, I was really shunned by the industry then, you know. मते इंडस्ट्री शन कर देतला है किछि आसनी आ भितरे होम फैक्टर नहीं ये टिके सेक्सी नहीं पारोनी एंड हां शी विल नॉट रिवील एते बहुत किछि बड़ बड़ डायरेक्टर्स टोल्ड मी ऑन माय फेस तोर किछि भी पारिबोनी यू विल नेवर बी एन एक्टर.
Okay.
So ouch. That and ouch, exactly, ouch. That's the ouch. And I guess that ouch was quite, you know, like motivating. Being me and me, the me, myself. Okay, take care, who knows better?
So, having been shunned, did you actually stun people in return?
I have been stunning people after that.
I know, right? So, I wanted to hear that from you. Like, what about people who actually criticize all the time? There are a few people who keep, you know, like nagging. So, what about them pisses you the most?
They don't really piss me. You know. I guess, you know, criticism kind of instigates that animal in me, the actor animal, the intelligent animal. It really instigates to, you know, like, give them a smarter reply by either vocally or by my deeds.
Okay.
So they are the feed. I think, like, people should criticize me more.
You are a sport in that case, I see. Alright, so doing what in this chaotic life that you have been leading so far gives you maximum peace?
I guess doing my job to the mark satisfactorily and really going back home with peace, you know, like, okay, acha shot gaya, nicely delivered. And then going back home and going back to my normal self. That's what mine is. I am not much of a, you know, like a worked up person. Ye hota to aisa hota and kind of thing. जो है उसको लेकर I believe, you know, like, if you have a platter on your table, let's not think of a bhoj happening somewhere else.
Yeah, of course. Well, like, very contented soul, like, you're happy with whatever you have and whatever
I kind of think, you know, like, I better have something in both my palm than instead of happening ki tere thali mein kya rakha hai.
Totally true. Alright, so have you ever been in love?
Oh, many times.
Many times, is it?
I know people don't think that I would have. Many times raw gondi.
How has been, how has falling in love been for you? Like, did it end well?
I
At
guess
least once,
I guess I
twice.
still fall in love, yeah.
You do?
But
Did you ever fall for me by any chance? Like,
no,
told us?
I don't have that kind of inclination. I have
Saw that coming.
I have it for the other gender, so I'm straight.
Well, when was the last time you fell in love?
I guess that kind of that love thing fizzed out with my marriage. So
Ouch.
ouch.
Okay, the second one.
Ouch, exactly.
Yeah.
But then yes, I still believe in that bubble gum. वो पूरा totally filmy. मत से ये दरका la 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 la.
वो पहला नशा phase क्या?
Kind of.
Oh yes,
Wow.
I love that the most.
I know. Dirty dancing and all that.
All right, so you have actually been surrounded by a lot of rumors, controversies, assumptions, and anticipations. How do you actually deal with them?
I guess I deal with everything one at a time, and I kind of basically, if you have a problem, it's better to face than running away. So I always deal it straight face.
Head on, that's it, every time. So yeah, this is a very important question that I wanted to ask you. I wouldn't want to pinpoint few incidents because there are too many and not the right platform. But how do you handle being mistreated at work? Like, I'm sure काफी experiences.
Can you be a little more specific? Mistreated?
So you actually, like you were trending everywhere, could be on social media or the news channels, whatever. There was a press conference which followed, and it was a big deal when,
Yes.
you were extremely unhappy with something that happened with you,
Very true.
to you, and things went.
I guess
south.
you have the answer yourself, because anytime I have been mistreated, I'm very vocal, not just
Yes,
vocal.
I have seen you doing that,
Not
yeah.
just vocal. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So I really kind of get back to them.
I saw that, and how? Okay, so how do you actually flush out your anger? How do you manage your temper?
Oh, that I'm really bad at. I still have to realize how to do it, and basically, I land up in problems because of my anger. I lose jobs, I lose friends, and people start misunderstanding me because of my instant anger. It's not a long thing, if I am angry, it's an instant thing. It happens and it goes, fizzes out. But that lingering thing doesn't remain.
Do you regret taking impulsive
I
decisions?
I do.
Oh, that's okay.
I do.
Still. All right. So I have another question for you. Like, you're often, you're very much straight on face.
Absolutely
Yeah.
blunt.
So very much straight on face, rather than actually stretching it too long. You say it there and there, and you just.
I guess it's always instead of pulling it too hard and getting misconcepted, people adding little spice to the whole matter. It is better to be like bang on the face.
Yeah.
ठीक है. खराब लगे. If I am
खत्म हो वो बात.
नहीं खराब लगे हाँ exactly खत्म हो. You can also have your add-ons, because तुम्हें भी खराब लगा तुम भी बोल दो. So I have no hang-ups about that.
Yeah, right. But often you're perceived as an arrogant person. How do you take that?
Why? Because
Yeah.
sometimes I behave I am arrogant.
You do on purpose? It has to be for a specific
Absolutely, genre of people, because you can't let them prod over you. There are many people who take because we are actors, they take us for a stride, they take us for granted. So I give nobody that right.
That is something I should actually pick.
I definitely don't give that right to anybody.
Shouldn't be given, actually. All right, so my last question for this segment. You blend in almost everywhere and with everyone, and what an art. Teach me, please.
It's not an art. I think I love people, and basically what happens, the age I am in, I know my age, what people think, how they behave, but it's always very mesmerizing to know what the kids are thinking. The youngsters are thinking, what is their lingo right now? What is the in thing in their life? What are the oldies thinking now?
Yeah, you use millennial languages, like, I love that, So it's so much fun. You never let people actually feel the generation gap, especially when I talk to you. I'm like, for a second even I don't feel like you're there is a age gap or something.
Absolutely.
You make people very, very
No,
confident.
basically, it's not an art. It's just me because I love talking to people.
I'm sure that reflects. Alright, so the super duper hamper for the ceasefire round by Oberoi Bakers and Cafe is here with me. So you see, this is lucrative already.
Means I have to like really
You have to
fight
win
hard
it.
for this. Okay.
Yeah, and you have to earn it. Because the ceasefire questions are pretty interesting. All thanks to me, मैंने बहुत अच्छे set किए हैं आज questions. So yeah, this is here for now. So we'll be getting on with the ceasefire questions.
Do I get to whiff of it so that it kind of instigates me?
Yeah, you can. Do all it takes and keep it back, please. Yeah, it's
Yes.
mine until you win it. I'm sure you will.
How definitely.
So the plan is to actually make me say ceasefire because I'm sure you will make me do it. So we'll start with the questions. The answers have to be as short as possible and crispy. So, do we start? Yeah. Okay. So, what do you prefer? Solitude or your gang when you're low?
Sometimes solitude, but prefer the gang.
Oh yes, so much fun. What is your idea of fun actually?
I guess hanging around.
Hanging around. Okay. So one quote or advice that changed your life.
शक्ल देखिए
किसने बोला?
नहीं बोलूंगी.
Oh my god, that throw. Shakal dekhi hai. Okay, you're often spotted with your mother. Is she your partner in crime or you're like Tom and Jerry?
No, not really. I kind of take the responsibility of being the responsible person around.
That's great. I have seen you, like watching movies with her. That's an adorable thing to do. Okay, one decision that you regret. One that you regret the most.
मैंने शादी की.
Kyunki. Okay, the best decision of your life.
I guess being born as Ushashi Mishra itself is a
That is a blessing to you and it's
Absolutely.
a bigger blessing to all of us.
Absolutely.
All right, your forever love or forever crush?
my forever love and forever crush. Okay, Gregory Peck.
I smell hotness. Okay, so what are you currently binge watching on Netflix?
Oh, I told you, Lucifer.
That's my favorite. Okay, so what kind of shopaholic are you? Online shopper or offline?
No, I prefer going to the malls. You know, that air
Trying
of
it yourself?
mall. Not really. You know, the people.
Estrogen? Taking it all
No.
in? No?
Again, it's all about people.
People, how do you impress them?
No. I like observing people.
Oh,
How
nice.
people are like trying out clothes and acha ita bhalo hechi mama. My God, I have seen teenagers giving so much of stress to their mother trying out tops. अरे यार तू पिंडी तो माँ कहेंगी इतना टेंशन मत
Yeah,
लो.
I'm very sorted that way. See, because जो mannequin पे देखा जो चाहिए, that's all I want.
Because you know clear, you
Yeah,
have clear vision.
Yes,
That's why.
yes. So no amusement for you.
Absolutely.
You see,
I will find amusement in you also.
See, that's why I call her happy-go-lucky. All right. So, what is your best trip ever, and what is your next trip plan?
Okay, my Dubai trip was a very good one, which I had. And I was planning one Europe trip on a cruise, but unfortunately it fizzled out because of no mullah.
Right.
So अभी मुल्ला आएगा तो सोचेंगे.
Okay. So, are you a caffeine addict?
Pardon?
Are you a caffeine addict?
No.
No, not really.
I'm a tannin addict.
Okay. All right. So, had you not been the actor Ushashi Mishra, what would you have been?
I would have been a doctor.
Doctor?
Veterinary doctor.
Veterinary doctor.
Huh.
But forget animals. You heal people with your smile and your
No,
humor.
that's a. Let's have a good laugh over that.
I'll die laughing today. All right, now next question. I so wanted to ask, where do you get your humor from?
I guess my legs.
Oh, your legs. That's where you
They
get your-
tickle.
All right, what is the secret of your eternal grace?
My grace. Okay.
You consider this a fangirl question.
Satta kahya gula, I had to really work hard on behaving such a nicely, you know, like I am kind of a freak who has no grace. This is a pretension, and I'm a very good actor.
Sounds about right. All right, so you are actually life of the party types. You know, you fill the room with light and happiness wherever you walk. Trust me, it could be any event. I've seen you at almost all the places. You hanging out with your friends, also while you are partying, also while you are, you know, like at an event, poised and, you know, like all graceful and decked up. And I've also caught you off guard at places, like, you know, being yourself. How do you manage being the light bringer, just like Lucifer?
Not really. You know, basically, people have got really a lot of apprehensions. They have got inhibitions on living the life the way they are. I just go with the flow. अरे छोटी सी जिंदगी है जी ले भाई.
क्या इतना सोचना?
वही तो.
Right. Okay. So this is the last segment. We're going to make it very, very quick. So you have to name one person which comes to your mind.
Okay.
Sorry, one person who comes to your mind when I utter that particular word.
Fine.
Inspiration.
Dad, mom.
Midnight friend.
Ramoli.
My favorite too. Okay, your go-to person.
Go-to person, I think Shritam.
Okay. Your shoulder to cry.
There are many.
Many. Right. Okay.
But I am the agony aunt, so I don't need shoulders to cry. People cry on my shoulder.
Broad one.
I know exactly.
Soon. Okay, your piece.
At home.
Right. What do you love most amongst newcomers, the newbie actors and actresses?
You know, the new things they have to teach me.
All right. So, who is your favorite ever co-star?
Favorite ever co-star is Mihir Das.
Mihir Das, right. He is a sweetheart, I'm sure.
Sweetheart, I am kind of envious of him.
Okay, so the best ever flick of yours?
Flick. I think my first movie. Bo.
First movie?
Bo.
Firsts are always first.
Exactly.
So, who is the last dialed person on your phone right now?
Right now?
You didn't call me, so it has to be someone
No,
else.
it is Ramoli.
Ramoli?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Who is the most annoying person you have in your life?
Ramoli.
Oh yeah, he's winning all the questions today.
Yes.
The most powerful, you know.
The most powerful? Yet to discover.
Okay, right. Who's the most confident person you've come across?
Most confident. I guess I am the one.
I like the confidence. Evergreen? For me, it's you.
Evergreen, no. Mahashweta ma'am.
Yeah. So, the one person you idolize?
Idolize? I think my father. I don't go beyond that.
Perfect. All right, so I have to call it a ceasefire because you just didn't win the hamper. You won my heart all over again. So this is sweet.
Mata dena.
All
You
yours.
declare it all.
Congratulations. So this is the hamper by Oberoi Bakers and Cafe for none other than our guest for the day. Of course, all of us favorite. So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you very much.
It's actually time to call it a day, but I can't really thank you enough for finding time and making this episode full of fun, masala, happiness, and what all words I have to.
Oh, Havani de. है ना?
Thank you so much.
এটা তো লাগিଥିଲା Havani de. ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ମାନେ ମୁଁ ସେଥିଲାଗି କହିଲି
I am
Havani
known for the extras, you know. I am known for the extras. Anyways, thank you guys. So this was Usashi Mishra for you, and she was amazing, and I'm sure you're going to love this episode. So do not forget to miss out on this one, and of course, do not forget to fill us with all your love again. And this was Lipsa from Ouch Couch with Lipsa by Desi Muffins Productions in association with Oberoi Bakers and Cafe.